One of them being yesterday's report that was released by KISII Governor Simba Arati, purporting to have done an audit report on the staff. In it, I have just seen it from a distance, but I want to castigate that any public report should always be exposed to the media. It is unfortunate that no media house, no media person in yesterday's meeting, while he was receiving the report from the Institute of Human Resource Management, got a copy of it so that they could be able to scrutinize and give a glimpse to the public of what the report entails. Two, I want to also confirm that from his statement, because we have not seen the report yet, he highlighted on issues regarding to ghost workers, 1,314. It is a sorry state that in a county like KISII, which has got 5,000 civil servants or workers or employees, can actually have 1,000 civil servants, which is contrary to the statutes of service delivery ratios. I'm saying KISII has a population of about 1.5 million to date, and when you look at the ratio of 5,000 employees, they cannot be able to measure into the expectations on the service delivery of the public or the large population. I also want to state that Simba Arati went against the BFM Act, Public Finance Management Act of 2012, Article 149, which stipulates specifically on misuse of public resources. Now, we seek with immediate effect that this report, this report is in tandem with the petition which we filed at the Senate of Kenya. And we are asking the Senate committee to actually confirm how the procedure was done, because Simba Arati is expected to be seen, to be in the Senate committee next week. So we're asking the Senate committee to actually establish from Simba Arati why he was doing duplication of getting the report. And finally, I have seen his statement in the media that there are 270 actually relatives. Now, in governments, monarchies, kingdoms across the world, there is no single king, there is no single president who cannot be able to have relatives in his government. What Simba Arati is doing is mediocrity. He is exhibiting a lot of foolishness in his entire system and administration, because already Simba Arati has got 10 relatives, both in the departments of the chief officers and the CECs, that is the county executive committee members. There are 10 relatives we know. As he come out to the public to tell us how he has employed his relatives, his aunts, his cousins, has he done this? So Simba Arati, I'm telling you, you should go back, think and read the mood of the public. You need to pay the pending bills. The report cannot stop Simba Arati. The audit report for 6 months cannot stop Simba Arati from paying the pending bills, which he has been actually authorized by the control of budget via a letter or a confirmation from the Auditor General, who has certified that the pending bills have a clean bill to be paid. Now, Simba Arati, you have no option to tell the public that you are seeking sympathy for protection of your name, which has been diluted across the county government. You are pushing the border guys, you are pushing Mama Bogas, you are actually doing everything upside down, climbing the tree from the top of it down to the roots, which is against the principles and virtues and values of public administration. I call upon the public to actually go for a bigger demonstration against Simba Arati, because one, he lacks the autocratic values and the fundamental virtues of public administration. It is wrong for Simba Arati to actually intimidate and try to present himself holy and trying to scare the public. There is nothing like ghost workers. That is personal vendetta. It is vengeance, and you go take it to your Motondo village and do whatever what you want with it. What we want is pay the pending bills, equip the hospitals with the drugs, open the roads, and also create an environment for cohesion and unity and harmony amongst the workforce of KISII County. I want to thank you, the media, for